You end here with the this is Advanced World Studies Religion of the World module chapter review for the 2018-2019 school year. Not much trouble at all this year. Things are tweaked pretty much, to pretty good position. In our introduction, when I asked the kids, why do you think learning different religions is, good and good for learning history? And like every year, I usually get a couple kids that are at least like, I think learning about other religions is stupid. But I didn't get any of those this year, and so no surprise I didn't get any complaints. Each lesson I built this year, remade some videos if they were more than a year old, but more importantly, my big upgrade was that every single religion has a supplemental video tacked on at the end, and they're all from this one guy. He has his own YouTube channel, Hip Hughes, and so it's like, a 10-minute video covering the same sort of pattern and relevant information for each religion if the kids want to learn more, because we really do just hit the basics, and old Hip Hughes goes into it a little more in each video. Like, for example, I link it into the bottom for each of them. So there's Judaism, Christianity, Hip Hughes, boom, yep, down there at the bottom. So that was the big thing. Current event thrown in there. The test is an interesting test in that it's a little shorter, but it's got a pretty in-depth essay question. It's matching, so we do a lot of matching things to their religions. It's cool and all, but then it's a compare and contrast essay question. Most kids did pretty well at it. The kids that didn't get full points usually got 6 out of 10 points because I don't know if they didn't read the instructions all the way. And like the question asked to give me, two things that are, pick any two religions, give me 2 things that are the same and 2 things that are different. It's compare contrast. Couple kids only gave me 1 similarity and 1 difference. I had another kid do all the comparisons and contrasting, but they would pick 2 different religions for the comparing and then the contrasting, and it wasn't really that big of a deal. All in all, it went well, and that is probably why our average grade is probably pretty good. Let's find the old speed grader. There it is. I just graded this like 5 minutes ago. So we'll see. Up 96%. Yeah, most kids, a couple kids lost points on the matching, but for the most part, if anybody lost points, it was on the essay. That's all. The chapter went well. The virtual lessons, it's a 2-week virtual lesson type of chapter, just the way it falls. So it's split. I have one on Judaism and Christianity that goes pretty in depth. There's a lot of supplemental information in there, but it's good. And then Islam, Hindu, and Buddhism are shoved into the next week. And that's a little tight, but we've got a good Kahoot, a good 10-question Kahoot at the end. It really drives those main points home. So yeah, it's good. Good supplementals. I was pretty pleased with the amount of supplemental information I was able to stack into these lessons this year. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.